Yeah, guys, this is a grand opening of this. I guess it's like a detailing shop that they just opened up. We decided to pop out real quick, show you guys some sick whips.
Oh, they're in the table.
We pulled up right here. I'll show you guys the whip. You guys can see it, the Q60s right there. We got the homies pulled up right behind me. Yeah, it's pretty sick turnout right now. I know the lighting is kind of bad, so you guys can't really see. But I'll do my best to give you guys some sick shots. Check out this 600 right here. Thank you, sir. Look at all this carbon fiber, guys, on the 600 LT.
Why'd you move out from where
Nothing
you
too
were?
big, just 405s in the back.
I saw you pull up.
You guys, there's hella McLarens over here. The C8. I'm gonna use my my flashlight from my phone. Check out this 4 GT right here. This is one of the older ones, super clean. White with black wheels. Hard. Do you guys like the F12s or not? Oh, where you at? We got the STI right here.
This one's better. I like F12.
Yeah, that's hard. The F12 is nice.
I look at do like the GT3 better.
I like the GT2s and the GT3s. Yeah, guys, check out the R32 right here with the carbon fiber hood. I like that. Check out their Instagram right there.
I miss my Evo.
Do you miss your Evo? Shit. Hey, but now you're on to bigger and better things though, so.
Hey, stay tuned for next video.
Peace out, guys.